Good morning, my lovely students. How are you today? With you, Miss Shrouk, your science teacher at Al Hussam Integrated School. Today, inshallah, we talk about last lesson in our science curriculum, magnetism and magnetic field. In the last session, we talk also about magnet. Today, we learn more about magnet. At the end of this lesson, the students should be able to compare between magnetism and the magnetic field, describe the magnetism and the magnetic field, answer the questions to demonstrate understanding of the text. Okay? Let's know more about magnetism and magnetic field. First, we want to talk about magnetic field. Magnetic field, it's an area that surrounds a magnet, which is a magnetic force that appear. The magnetic force or any magnet has a force, and this force called magnetic force or magnetism. Magnetic force or magnetism. And this magnetism or magnetic force appear only inside the magnetic field for this magnet. Miss, how we know this is a magnetic field for this magnet? Here in this picture we have a magnet, and also we have iron fillings, and we have a white paper. In front of paper we put iron fillings. Under the paper we put magnet. So this is the picture for magnetic field. So the magnetic field, this area which the magnetic force or magnetism or appear in this or is appear in this area. Outside this area there is no magnetic force or magnetism, okay? Or the magnet cannot attract anything outside this area. So if we have a nail here in this space, and also we have a nail here in this space, so which nail are attracted to the magnet and why? This nail are attracted to the magnet because it's inside the magnetic field of this magnet, but this nail are not attracted to the magnet. Why? Because it's outside the magnetic field for this magnet, okay? So now we know area surrounding the magnet are called magnetic field Okay. Also here in this picture we see the most powerful of the magnet in the two poles like we see in the last session, and also we see the magnetic field for this magnet. The magnet has two poles, north pole, south pole, and have an area surrounded which is a magnetism appear. This area called magnetic field. Magnetic field is the area around the magnet which is the effect of magnetic force or magnetic attraction or appear. And the magnetic force, it's the ability of the magnet to attract any magnetic material when enter to its magnetic field. It must be enter to the magnetic field. Outside the magnetic field, there is no attraction force or magnetic force or magnetism Here also, magnetism, it's invisible force. Miss, what's the meaning of the word invisible? Invisible, we cannot see it. We cannot see this force, so we say it's invisible force. But we observe the effect of the attraction or the magnetic attraction for different objects, okay? But we cannot see this force, so we say it's called invisible force. And also magnetic field, invisible area. We cannot see the magnetic field area, but we can see it by using iron fillings. When we use or place some iron filings around the magnet, we can see the magnetic field by the best way. Okay? And now, let's answer the assessment was together. Number 1, choose the correct answer. Yes, Ahmed. First is the area around the magnet in which the effect of magnetic force appear. The area, so we choose excellent, super Ahmed, magnetic field. Number 2, the force which allows a magnet to pull or attract certain materials toward to the magnet is known as our force or the magnet force called, yes, Yasmin, magnetic force. Super. Magnetic force affecting certain materials that are placed in its, oh, the magnetic material must be certain or placed in certain a place called magnetic field. Excellent. Primary 3, my lovely students. Excellent. Super. Adam, the magnetic force is a or an force visible, invisible, or all the previous answer. We can say this force? Yeah, Adam? No. So it's called invisible force. Super. If we place some what around the magnet, we will see the magnetic field. We use what to see the magnetic field for any magnet? Iron filings, wood filings, all the previous answers. Yes, Salma, we use iron filings. Excellent, super. Number 6 is the last one. Is the forces that affect some object include other magnet without direct connect? Magnetic field, iron filings, or magnetism? What's the name of the force for magnet? It's called, excellent, super, magnetism. Okay, primary 3, my lovely students, you must answer the homework, page 49, and send this homework on Edmodo. Bye.